वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. आनी आयज म्हाज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर हांव तुमकां दाखयता प्रॉन्स आनी सॉसेज चिली फ्राय. ओके, सो गोवन sausages or Goan sausage meat. I have taken around 250 grams, and then this is half kg of prawns, 2 potatoes finely chopped, 1 onion and 1 green chilli. Okay, तर this all we need. तर आता आमकां हें सगळें जाय पडटलें. हांवें हे आमचे सॉसेजाचे मांस घेतला, आमची सुंगटां घेतल्या, बटाट घेतला, कांदो घेतला आनी मिरसांग घेतल्या, हरी मिरसांग. थोडेशें तेल जाय पडटलें. So I've taken 1 teaspoon of oil and I'm adding few curry leaves to this. Green chilies and onions. There are loads of videos on roll sausages. I will share it in my description box. So खूब म्हजो हें आसा, रेसिपीज आहा. गोवन सॉसेजीस घरा करूं येता, गोवन सॉसेजीस तुमच्यान बाजारांतल्यो हाडून मागीर कशें करूं येता, आनी गोवन बॉटल मसाला, गोवन सॉसेजीस बाटलेन घालून कशें प्रिजर्व करूंक जाय तो आसा. स्क्रॅच सॉसेजीस कशें करूंक जाय तो पूण व्हिडिओ आसा. So there are lots of videos on Goan sausages meat. So please you can check that in the comment section, or you can get from the market Goan sausages to make this recipe. Now we'll fry our potatoes. Let this get cooked, because potatoes are the only thing which is going to take time to cook. Prawns will cook faster, sausages also will get cooked. So now let this get cooked for 5 minutes. We'll cover and cook. So now we will add to this turmeric powder. So we'll add turmeric powder, half teaspoon, and coriander powder 1 teaspoon. So this, now we will add our sausages and then we'll cook for few minutes. We'll add little bit of water to this. And we'll check our salt later when we add our prawns. Now we'll again cover up this and we'll cook this for a few minutes. तर आता आम्ही एका शिजोया पुरतून धांपून धरून 10 मिनटां and now we'll add our prawns. तर आता आमची सुंगटां घालया. सुंगटांक हांवें ना मीठ ना कांयच लावना, फकत बरे भशेन सुटी केला, दोरे काडल्या आनी धुवन आतां हांव घालता. So I have not added anything to prawns because sausages has got itself all the ingredients, and we'll cook this for 5 minutes and it is done. So now we'll check the salt. Need a little bit of salt. Cover this just for 5 minutes. Here is our sausage, Goan sausages, prawns chili fry ready. The prawns are cooked. We don't want to cook it. We don't want it overcooked, otherwise it will become like rubber. I hope you all will enjoy this, and do let me know how it tastes. I have not added tomatoes because sausages has got vinegar and all the other masalas. So thank you so much for watching this. देव बरें करूं तुमकां. मानता तुमकां ही आमची गोंयची रेसिपी सुंगटां आनी सॉसेजाची बरी लागतली आनी तुमी तुमच्या किचनान करून खायात. दाये बरोबर, पावां बरोबर, भाकरे बरोबर. थँक्यू. देव बरें करूं.